Okay, let's solve this example. A force of 4 newtons is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to a second force of 7 newtons, both acting at a point. Find the magnitude of the resultant of these two forces. So the first thing we are going to do here is to sketch the diagram. Let this arrow diagram represent a force of 4 newtons inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to a second force. So let this second arrow diagram represent force of 7 newtons. The angle between the two forces is 45 degrees. So this is the diagram. What we are going to do now is to complete the diagram by drawing both the x and the y axis. So in finding the resultant of these two forces, we need to resolve the two forces into both horizontal component and vertical component. And earlier in this lesson, we have established that the formula for horizontal component is F cos theta, and the formula for vertical component is F sine theta. So at this point now, let's start solving. For force 7 newton, the horizontal component is going to be 7 cos 0. How do we get 0 degrees here? The 7 newton is along the x-axis. Therefore, the angle here is 0 degree. Here we are going to get 7. The vertical component of force 7 will give us 7 sine 0. This will give us 0. So that is that. So let's go for force 4 newton. The horizontal component is 4 cos 45 degree. That is the angle for this 45 degree. And the vertical component is 4 sine 45 degrees. This will give us, for 4 cos 45 degree, will give us 2.828. And this will give us the same value, 2.828. So at this point now, we can make a table so that we can see it properly. So for the horizontal component for force 7 newton, the horizontal component is 7. The vertical component is 0. Yes, for force 4 newton, here we have 2.2828, and here we have 2.828. We can find the addition of all horizontal components and all vertical components. At this point here we have 9.828, and here we have 2.828 newtons. So the next question now is to find the magnitude of the resultant. Let represent the resultant by R, which is equal to, by formula, magnitude of resultant is the summation of all horizontal component squared plus summation of all vertical components squared. So R now equal to the square root of 9.828 squared plus square root of 2.828 squared, the square of this. So here we have R equal to square root. If we add this and this together, we are going to get 100 and 4.59. Finding the square root of 104.59 is going to give us 10.23 newtons. We can approximate that into one decimal place, and that is 10.2 newtons. So this is the magnitude of the resultant of the two forces. So see that again, and I hope you understand. God bless you.